and nice for people to come in and go out, but they should understand that all those protocols, all those orders have been placed for our safety, right? That's exactly what it is. So that's why we are able to sit down here in a nice environment. It's 8:30 in the night here, local time here in Hyderabad. It is almost chill and cold, but because of the love and enthusiasm being brought inside in the stadium, we are not feeling any cold. We are just not shivering at all. It's so much warmth because the GOAT is right here in his tour of India 2025.
Yes, we are seeing a small exchanges between the players and the legends here. What an electric atmosphere here in the stadium. The fans everywhere roaring Messi, Messi, Messi.
Yeah, no doubt, as he is really making sure that he stays here as long as people want him to be. That is so nice. This is exactly what the love is all about. As Messi All-Stars 11 players, of course, they will take the sport to another great altitude, another great level altogether. And more importantly, I should also be saying, okay, huge accolades to Prasar Bharati team as well, DD Sports, everybody, the lensmen, and of course, all the panels, the producers, the units, the audio. Wow, who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revanth Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Did he even realize what he's doing? There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pick.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here in the GOAT Tour 2025 coming out here to promote the game, to make sure, oh, the dad lifts the next big superstar. There he is, he's going away. That's really nice. That was so sweet. And yeah, the dad who I was talking